Thanks for watching AM Northwest. Well, the temperatures may be in the 90s. It's never too early to start thinking about fall fashion. So here to share the hot color trends, we welcome back image consultant Carol Parker Walsh. Yay!
Yay!
Okay, so fall colors.
Yeah.
It is, this is the time that we need to start thinking about it, right?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the stores are thinking about it. So that's
Right.
what you're going to start seeing in the stores. And actually later in the year, you're going to start seeing spring colors. So, they're always a bit ahead of the game. And
Right.
color is one of my favorite things to talk about because color has so much energy and vibrancy.
It really does.
And it's so important for people to know what are the right colors for them to wear, but also how to wear them to exude the type of energy that they want to put out there and to receive the energy that they want to get back. So color plays a lot of roles
Yes.
in really supporting you to feel either more confident when you want to show up and go big, or if you want to maybe go a little bit behind the scene a little
Okay,
bit more.
so let's step a little bit to knowing which colors look good on you.
Yeah.
Is that tricky? I don't know if I know what colors look good on me.
Most people don't. It's a little bit challenging to find. People who are trained, like I'm trained to be able to do that,
Yeah.
can help you to figure that out. But a lot of people are either warm or cool or neutral. So a lot of people can carry both warm and cool colors. And in truth, we all can wear all the colors. It's just finding the right temperature and degree and variance of color to
And
be
how
able to
close
wear.
to the face,
And it's
maybe?
always about what's wear around your face, because color will either add vibrancy and life to your face, or it'll drain the color from your face and make you look really sullen and kind of sad and sick.
Yeah,
You
so
don't want that with color.
Yeah. So can we look at the fall colors right now?
Absolutely. Pantone always sets their trends for the year. They do it about a year in advance so the designers can actually design to this particular color palette. So this is the palette that's really popular right now. We've already seen it in the stores in the spring and
yes.
summer, right? So that's what I'm saying. Toward the end of the year, you're going to start seeing it more in terms of the fall season.
Okay.
And so when you know your palette, you want to shop your palette. That's key,
Okay.
right? And so that's why it's important to know what the color palette is for you.
Okay, so let's start with that
Yes,
cranberry
red
color.
pear. Isn't that
Okay.
gorgeous?
Yes.
So red pear is a really deep brick color, and it's a traditional color you would see in the fall, but it has so much richness. And I just wanted to show variations of how to wear the color, both in your accessories and also in your clothing as well.
Okay, next one.
Yeah. And the next one is Valiant Poppy, which is just a really bright, energetic color. It's happy, it's joyful, and so when you wear it, you're going to feel that way, and you're going to make people feel that way when they see you in it too.
I have to tell you, Carol, whenever I wear red, I get the most compliments.
Yep. It draws the energy in. So red is a very vibrant color. So because of that, the vibration of the energy draws people in and makes them really feel light and happy.
Yeah. Okay. Next one.
So the next one is Nebulous Blue, which is really similar to the color that I'm wearing, actually. And so it's a little bit lighter than Lapis, but it's, again, a very vibrant, beautiful color and a nice addition to throw into the palette in the fall.
I'm guessing everybody can wear blue.
Everyone can wear navy, mostly.
I'm wrong. Okay.
But it is a form of blue, but navy is pretty much
maybe
more
just because
popular.
that's my color. I
Yeah,
guess. So,
that could
okay,
be.
now
That could.
I'm not so sure about
Well,
this color.
one, Salon Yellow, actually is like the color of a lighter version of Grey Poupon, so it's like a spicy yellow color, but it's a beautiful color and something that you're going to see a lot.
I saw it in the summer.
It's gorgeous. I think earlier the weather woman who was doing the weather,
Mary Lois is wearing this dress.
She had a very similar color to this one, or the limelight. Yeah, it looks really good, but it's a really rich, beautiful color.
Yeah.
And then Martini Olive. Pantone always does some version of olive, but this one has a little bit more yellow into it, so it's a little bit brighter and lighter.
Is it more brown?
It's actually more greenish yellow than it is brown. And so they've done more of a brown one, but this is great to do in outerwear or in a great dress.
Okay.
And then Russet Orange, which is just a traditional pumpkin orange for the fall, which is great. And I think it's a great color to wear in accessories to really add the vibrancy, because it's pretty bright to wear it, on your body. But you could definitely do it there. And then Ultraviolet is another color that you don't often see this time of year. So it's definitely more cool. And we usually see warmer colors in the fall. So, Ultraviolet. And then the next one, Crocus Petal, which is a little more lilac, which is usually a spring color.
Yes.
So we're seeing that in the fall as well.
Yeah, I did see a lot of lilac.
Yeah. And then Limelight has a little bit more yellow-green. So it's definitely bright. That's a very hard color to wear.
Yeah.
And then Quetzal Green is more of a teal color. So that's very rich and very beautiful. And so these are the colors for the season. But what's coming up next for the spring are these beautiful colors, which is what Pantone is calling a celebration to multiculturalism or diversity. Ooh. That's what they're calling it. So it's merging all these beautiful cultural elements and cross-cultural components to come up with this beautiful toasty palette.
So when do we start thinking about spring colors?
Around October, November. You're going to see the stores bringing them in. And
I love the terracotta and that little pinky color.
Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, so it's all toasty, and usually you add brown to that palette to make it more warm and really spicy. So it's going to be fabulous for the coming season.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
Some very fun things to look forward to.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so we'll have all of Carol's tips on our website.